Today, my video lecture will be based on first calculation. Here I will cover these topics: need of first calculation, rule for calculating first calculation, and calculation of first with example. Means I will show here some example and I will solve them. First of all, why there is a need of first calculation? I will explain this with the help of one example. Need of first calculation. Suppose I am taking the grammar. For example, S tends to CAD and A tends to BC, and second alternative is A. And here I am taking input string CAD. Here grammar is given, input string is given. Now parser has to make the wise decision which production to be taken by the parser. So this will be the decision of the parser, and here I am using the word wise decision. Now start. Here first the input string is C. Input element is C. So first CAD, this production will be taken by the parser, and now C of this production matches with the C with the input symbol. Now the parser will proceed further, and after proceeding further it will choose the production A. Now the production A having two alternative, one is BC and second one is A. Now here BC, when A tends to BC will be selected, then its first symbol will be B, and here in input the symbol is A. So the parser will not go further. So why? Because the parser taken here the wise decision. What's the need of going further? Because B is not matching with this. So what's the use for looking into the remaining production? So here the parser will go to the another option which is given, will go to the another production which is A tends to A. So now A will match with this A and D will match with this D. So the entire string will be passed and the successful parsing will be executed here. So here I explain what's the need of first calculation, because here the parser checks only the first symbol. So we calculate only the first symbol, because because here I take the example. With the help of this example, the parser is considering only the first symbol, not looking into the remaining. So there is a need for the calculation of first symbol. So first character of string produced when a production rule is applied. Now rules for calculating the first. There are few rules to calculate the function first. I will now explain the rules for calculating first symbol. The rule for calculating the first symbols are very simple. These I have written. These are the rules for calculating the first symbol. First rule, which I written here, the rule 1. Rule 1, if I find this type of production x tends to epsilon, then the first calculation for this will be first of x will be epsilon, and always remember first is the set of the element. So this I represented with the help of set braces. Now the rule 2 is Rule 2. For any input symbol A, small a means terminal symbol. The first of A is the set of A, terminal symbol set. So this is very easy. First and second are very easy. Third one rule. Here suppose the production is given. I have taken y1, y2, y3 only. There are three symbols. Calculating first x. If now this is very important, if epsilon is not in first of y1, if there is no epsilon in first of y1, then first of x is equal to first of y1. It is simple. If there is no epsilon means if there is no empty string, because if we take the empty string as a first symbol, then the parser will assume that there is no other characters further. That's why we always omit epsilon as a first symbol. And now go further. If epsilon belongs to first of y1, now I am taking here the second case. If epsilon is existing, then how to calculate the first? Then first of x is equal to first of y1 minus means now don't take this epsilon as a first symbol. What do you mean by minus here? Epsilon, don't take this epsilon. Then now do the union operation. Union operations means now add further symbol. That further symbol means we will calculate first of y2, because here y2 is written, because after y1 y2 comes. And now I have done this for y1. What about the remaining string? What about the remaining symbol y2 and y3? Now calculating the first of y2, y3, the same thing which we done here for the first of y1. If epsilon does not belongs to first of y2, then first of y2 y1 equal to first of y2. It's very simple, because epsilon is not there, so we can directly write the first of y2 as a first of y2 y3. And now the main thing is, if epsilon exists, as we know very well, the epsilon cannot be the first symbol, because the parser will assume there is no other characters here. So we have to avoid epsilon as the first symbol. So for avoiding purpose, I will here use the minus symbol, means don't take this epsilon. Now I put here union symbol, because I have to add further y3, add further first of y3. And this is only for the three symbol. And if there are lot of symbol, means y1 y2 up to yn, then the same thing will repeat in a similar way. Now first we will look for this, then we will look for this, then we will look for this. So in this way we can calculate the first of x, first of y1, first of y2, first of y3, and then according to this we can calculate the first. And the main thing here is we have to find out if there exists epsilon. If epsilon exists as a first symbol, then we have to do subtraction operation, means we have to omit, we have to subtract this, and we have to add the further input data as well. So these are the rules for calculating the first function. Now I am taking example, and with the help of this example I will calculate the first easily. Now suppose this is the problem. S tends to this, B tends to small c, capital C, non-terminal and non-terminal, then capital C means non-terminal, tends to D, tends to E, tends to F, tends to. I have to calculate the first symbol, means I have to calculate the first symbol for all the non-terminal. Here the non-terminal are S, B, C, D, E, F. All these are the non-terminal. All these are 1 2 3 4 5 6 non-terminal. So I have to calculate the first for all these 6. First I will start first of S. First of S is first of A, B, D, H, which is terminal symbol. So here I will apply the rule 2. According to rule 2, this is the terminal symbol. So I will write it directly. No problem. And now I will calculate the first of B. First of B is first of CC. And first of CC, here again I am finding the terminal symbol, so no problem in writing. I write directly C. After this I will calculate first of C. First of C having the two production. First is BC. C having the two production. One is stands to BC and second one is stands to epsilon. So I will take these two. First of BC union first of epsilon, because having two production. So I will write here terminal symbol and I will have here epsilon. Now first of D I cannot write here directly because D depends on E and F. So I will calculate here E and F firstly, then I will calculate only D. After this I will calculate first of E. First of E having two alternatives, and these two alternatives are first of G union for epsilon, and then G epsilon. Here cut first because epsilon we can directly add. And now first of F. First of F and then epsilon we can directly add as a first. So F epsilon. Now I can easily calculate the first of D because I have calculated E and F. Now first of D is first of EF. Now look, now we will first find the first of E. I have calculated, and now this first of E consists of G and epsilon, means epsilon is coming here. So if epsilon come, I will apply the rule 3. According to rule 3, first of E minus epsilon, because epsilon is coming, so I will not take is here union first of F. According to rule 3, I have to first check if epsilon come. If epsilon doesn't come, then I can write first of E directly, but here epsilon is coming, that's why I take here minus of E, then after this union first of F. Now first of E is this one, first G epsilon minus epsilon union first of Fe. First of Fe is G epsilon. So here I will write G union G epsilon. F epsilon. Here is F. Then G F and epsilon. So this is the first of D. So here I know very well there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 non-terminal, and the first calculation are 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So I calculated here the first of all these non-terminal, and I find the first is the set. First function is the set, and here coming terminal symbol, and as well as epsilon is also coming. So this is my lecture all about the first symbol. Hope this lecture all you will find very useful. Please like my video lecture and subscribe my channel. Thank you.